Good afternoon everyone, I am here in Kandy, Sri Lanka. This is my very first tuk-tuk travel guys. My objective is to find a nice but affordable hotel for 2 nights, grab some lunch and wander around, and I hope to give you full tour of the hotel inside and room tour. I jump on a booking LK. I was looking something cheap, affordable, but still with a bit of luxury feel. Finally, I found a hotel that looks really good. I checked the price, the photos and the guest reviews, and everything seems solid. Some of the ratings are above 8 out of 10, so I decided to go with this hotel. So you can enjoy the full journey with me guys. So guys, this is the hotel we have checked right now, the Royal Retreat Kandy. It's like a home, it's like a giant home, but it's a hotel. And this is the entrance area. The first impression is very good, calm and big, not much big area, and we have got full of greenery area and chair. This is entrance part of this hotel. This is reception area, and we got have some sitting area. Probably every guest gonna be get some breakfast here, and we have some rest area, beautiful looking wood arts, and we have got other balcony area. I've got my keys and I'm checking into my room. I'll take you through the room and give you full hotel tour. So let's check it out together. As you can see, there's beautiful looking balcony area over here, some greenery things. Can we open that? Yeah. The view is directly heading to the road and the mountain areas in the distance. And we have king size bed, workstation over here, 2 chairs and table, 1 bottle and kettle. We have the storage area over here as well. So this king size bed decorated very well. We have got some towels, they put some kind of decoration. I can't understand what is this. And I want to check this bed out. So let me check this. Oh, it's comfortable, but probably it's not spring mate. I feel it. There's a big window over here and beautiful looking view, the mountain view, the road view, home areas and everything. This location is not far from Kandy city. It's approximately 1.5 kilometer far from Kandy city. And also I like this room because this room cost only $22. It's kind of worth of because there's not only this room, there are plenty of options out here out of this room. And I want to show you the bathroom as well. Apparently this clean bathroom, got a commode and the rain shower and small shower as well. And I want to check this shower pressure. Oh, it's good. It's very important thing to me personally. Let's go and check how is the outside looking. We have got some relaxation area over here, and this is some special thing in this hotel. It's kind of small pool with some therapy things. Apparently this area press some therapy with the water and we can have relax. So it's cost only $3 per 1 hour. And we have got some beautiful looking greenery area. There's another room over here, and there's a room over there as well. And we have got beautiful looking balcony area over here. So look at this view guys, so good. You can see full of greenery mountains in the distance and a lot of home areas, and we have got some balcony and the upstairs over here as well, probably the spa area. So very special thing about this place is we have some ultra space in this hotel. That is a special thing I saw when I come here. We have got treadmill over here and some exercise machines, and we have got some large table and piano. This is the some kind of living area, probably the relaxation. You can relax in this area, and there's another balcony over here. You can have some drinks if you want. Full of greenery things in downstairs. So I think this place is worth for $22, but per one night. So they hardly consider about the space and the relaxing things. So that's why they organize this area very well. Large storage, so we can watch the TV if we want. It's already 2 p.m. right now and I haven't got my lunch, so let's go and take a wash and then let's go for a lunch. This is my travel partner, as I said before, and I'm gonna go and hunt some foods. So hopefully I can find some good restaurant, and so let's go there. We will meet again a little while with our beautiful looking lunch, hopefully. So guys, we are in a food hunting mission right now. So we are looking for some good restaurant to find some rice and curry. We have gone to Mandi restaurant, but unfortunately the restaurant closed because today is Sunday. So we are gonna go to find Sri Ramya restaurant right now. So we have to go this way. Here's the place, the hotel that the guy recommended us. So let's go there and check it out. The foods. A lot of people came here to get some foods because it's Sunday, not plenty of options. Hotels open today. Probably this is the one, it's open in this area. And we have got our lunch meal. We have got chicken, dal, and some sort of leaves. So it's only $3 meal. So it's kind of fancy restaurant right here. And also we got some sort of pastry because we had so hungry. And also we walk around 2 kilometers in order to find the food shop, but we couldn't found one because it's Sunday, as I mentioned before. So let's have our meal and after that we're gonna go to our hotel. So usually in Sri Lanka the rice and curry price is around $1.50, but in this shop it's around $3. It's quite expensive. But the taste is so good. So apparently more people come here because the taste of fruits. So we have more extra dal. So that's it for today. I'll be exploring more beautiful places around Kandy in next videos. So if you enjoy this one, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon. Bye guys.